Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to turn off controller vibration. For any other shooter game, it's definitely most recommended to have vibration off, because one, it doesn't distract you as much, especially when there's especially in a game like Valorant where there's just so much utility being thrown, like explosions, etc. And you just want it to have it off because it feels better, and all the pros basically use it as well. In other games, there's no pros in Valorant on console, but yeah, anyways, in order to turn controller vibration off, all you have to do is go to settings. You're gonna go to controls, and then you're gonna go all the way down to advanced. Once you're at advanced, you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom again, and it's gonna say vibration. You can also turn the vibration intensity off, or it's all the way to the lowest if you still want to have a little bit of vibration on, but I would recommend just turning it off. It does take a while to get used to, but it is up to you, like if you want to keep it on, but I would definitely recommend it on. I recommend it off. I mean, it helps you with gameplay. And yeah, so that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.